one little mess around. Think a lot. Anytime you feel
the strategy changes the way you move. That's concerning me if this fight
use a lot of energy.
Ankalaev is starting to target. Oh! A little capoeira here.
Oh, here we go. Oh, I'm in top. After we're done.
An accident.
Conor said he felt it. His left being a little predictable in his movement. But he's got to be careful to put the head kick. Constantly going.
Oh!
Wow! That's it!
That's it!
Yeah.
Magomed Ankalaev settles the score in emphatic fashion.
That was
Round
good.
2 knockout.
That was a good stoppage. He dropped in the uppercut.